In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Charles Schwab account number. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look on the website, in the mobile app, on your statements, and even on checks or a debit card if your account includes checking features. I'll also show you where to find routing and direct deposit details and what to do if you still can't locate the number. Start on the Schwab website. Sign in as you normally would and go to the account summary page. This is the main dashboard that lists your accounts. Your account number is typically displayed near the account name or nickname. It may appear partially masked for security, so select the specific account to view more details if you don't see the full number right away. If you have multiple accounts, double-check the account name to make sure you're looking at the right one. When you've found it, avoid taking screenshots or saving it in unsecured notes. Log out when you're done. If you prefer the Schwab mobile app, open the app and log in. Tap the account you're interested in to open its overview. From there, go to Account Details. You should see the account number listed in that section, often near the account name or within a Details panel. Some apps allow you to copy the number. If so, be sure to paste it somewhere secure, or better yet, just use it for the task at hand and clear your clipboard afterward. Your monthly statements and official Schwab forms also include the account number. Open your latest statement, paper or electronic, and look near the top of the first page or within the account information box. If it's a PDF, you can search the document for account number to find it quickly. Store downloaded statements in a secure location. If your Schwab account has checking features, you may find the number on your checkbook or debit card materials. On checks, the account number appears on the MyCR line, typically between the routing number and the check number. Don't confuse the 16-digit card number on a debit card with your account number. They're different. For routing numbers and direct deposit, open your account details and look for a section labeled Routing Numbers and Direct Deposit. This is where you'll find the information you need for payroll or bank transfers. Remember, the routing number identifies the bank, while the account number identifies your specific account. If you still can't locate your account number,